What's up, snowman? It's your boy Daniel, and I'm back with a new and exciting update today. For the past few weeks, ICE Network team have been communicating with its community and have been making a very bold statement that this month of August is going to be the month of airdrops. Okay, if you participated in the ICE Network project and you have been following up with their updates, you would know that the core team promised that they'll release about 4 solid projects just like ICE Network. Okay, and they have been true to their words, keep trying everything possible to prove us right. Okay, so the update of today is that ICE Network just launched a new airdrop. After some wave, they just launched a new airdrop called the CallFluent Airdrop. And if I click on this right now, you're going to see that it says we are thrilled to announce the official launch of CallFluent. With our tap to earn innovative app on Telegram, CallFluent is ready to lead the AI revolution and transform business communication through advanced AI-driven phone empowered by blockchain technology. So this airdrop is kind of something that has related to phone, all right, maybe social media, WhatsApp stuffs and all that. I don't really know for now, but as we go on, we would know what this airdrop is all about. The purpose of creating this video is to teach you how to participate in this airdrop fast, how to join this airdrop and start mining or claiming this immediately. Okay, now what you have to do is to use the link in the description. You're going to see a link that says CallFluent invitation link. I would really appreciate it if you use that. Let's just say use that as a compensation for creating this video for you, for revealing this very update to you. Okay, so first thing first, we're going to head over to our browser. All right, before I head over to my browser, I just want to show you something right now. If you also come over to the Telegram handle, you're going to see this very update right here. Now I can just go ahead and click on this and I'll be asked to launch this web app, which will connect to its website. Okay, and I'll have to click on start and this bot will start immediately. Now the first thing you have to do is to download the Telegram app. All right, for you to participate in this very airdrop, if you haven't participated in any airdrop before, the first thing you have to do is to download Telegram and you are good to go. Downloading Telegram is just for your own good, because by so doing you don't only get to mine this CallFluent token but also other airdrops that will be launching on Telegram. Okay, now for those of us who have Telegram already, you are all set. But if you don't have Telegram, you can just come over to this very app on your phone, this app with this symbol that says Play Store. Okay, click on it and then head over to the search bar, which is this. Okay, once you head over to the search bar, just type in the keyword Telegram, and by so doing you get to see this very app right here pop up. If you're doing this for the first time, you see the install button, but mine is showing open, and that's because I've already installed the app on my phone. So once you're done downloading this very app, just go ahead and click on this very open button right here. Sign up with either your phone number or email, and you'll be sent a verification code. Confirm the code and automatically your account will be open. Okay, now this is how the Telegram would look like. Let me just head back. Okay, but in your case it's going to be entirely empty and blank, and that's because you don't have any contact yet. You haven't linked any contact, you haven't joined any group. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. It's more like WhatsApp but an advanced WhatsApp. So once you download Telegram, like I said, I can just click on the official link right now and just start this very airdrop. But I'm going to be doing this for those of you who find me worthy to use my invitation link. If you don't want to use my invitation link, it's fine. Okay, you can go to whoever invited you. But if you want to say thank you to me for revealing this very update, then you can use my invitation link in the description of this video. Now you just have to come over to your browser. Okay, be it Chrome browser, Opera Mini. I'm actually using Opera Mini. Then head over to the search bar, which is this. Okay, just head over to the search bar and then copy the link in the description. All right, once you copy that link, paste it in this search bar. Okay, just click on the search bar and paste that, and then click the search button. Now you're going to land on this very page. Okay, as you can see, it says join the call community and earn tokens effortlessly with our blockchain powered app. Start earning today. I'm just going to go ahead and click on send message, and I believe that when I click send message, it's going to reveal the same pop-up which says start bot. But this bot is not going to start up if you don't have Telegram. That was why I said you should make sure you download the Telegram app. Okay, so it says allow CallFluent to send messages. Make sure this is checked. Do not uncheck that, just leave it like that and then click on start right now. Okay, so as you can see right now, this is loading up. Okay, and let's see how this would look like. And yeah, right here we received 500 CallFluent token, and that's just like a welcome bonus according to the ICE team. All right, and if you notice right here, you see that it's just numbers this time around and not a nickname anymore. Okay, so this is what the CallFluent token looks like, and this is not actually an app. This is actually Telegram. We're actually in Telegram right now. Okay, Telegram has this ability to host mini apps. Okay, this is actually a mini app, and for you to start earning from this bot right now, what you're meant to do is to click on this very button right here with the C symbol. Okay, that is CallFluent symbol. Just click and hold that, and as you can see right now, it's turned green. Okay, you'll be able to claim this again after 24 hours. Okay, so the timer is set for 24 hours, and in 24 hours time you just have to come back, click on this boat again, and you continue. But if it's going to go the eyes way, which I know that in 12 hours you have the opportunity to turn it on, anything above 12 hours they usually give us the opportunity to turn this on. Now, as at the time of creating this video, the earning rate is 16 CallFluent token per hour. Okay, so that's what you'll be mining per hour. In 10 hours you'll be having about 160, and in 24 hours you'll be having about 384 tokens if my memory serves me right. Just to explore other places, if you are new to mining this, the best way to have more of these tokens is to actually invite. If you're not good with the invite, you don't know how to gather people and all that, just keep mining this. Okay, but I'll still advise you invite your family and friends. All right, tell them about this, because the more people you invite, the more you stand to gain. Okay, and if you really want to check out how your invites are doing, all you have to do is to come over here, just click here, and you will see your team. Okay, and right here you can see the invite friends button, and if I click on that, will be asked to forward a message. I'm just going to try to forward this to my channel right now. Okay, and right here you can see that this is my ref link, this is my invitation link very video. Now, if you find me worthy to use my link as a compensation for creating this video for you, I really appreciate you for that. So heading back to the app right now, let me just click and open this. What you also need to know is that this is where your profile lies. Okay, at the top left hand corner of your screen right there, once you click on it, you will see your global rank, the referrals you have, your level, and more. Okay, you can also scroll down and calculate with the earning calculator to see how many tokens you'll be earning per hour. The bob icon right here, which is this, is where you get to read news and updates about the CallFluent project. Okay, this is where eyes usually update us, and as at the time of creating this video, we just have about 3 updates right here, which I would really advise you to read. I'm not going to open that, and I'm not going to start reading there for the sake of time. All right, and the last button here would also lead you to the profile section. Okay, they will lead to both or same places, and if you look right here, you can also invite your friends by clicking on this button right here, which would again want to forward this message to your contacts. We are not going to do that because I have already explained that. So just come over here and click on this tab right here, just click on that, and you'll return back to your CallFluent app or mini app on Telegram. Now, what is another important thing you need to know right here? Now, if we head back to the home section, which is this, now scroll to the left. All right, you see that presently we are actually mining 16 cow tokens per hour. Now, by August 7th, you'll be mining 8 cow tokens per hour. Okay, so you want to join this immediately and join this fast, right, so you don't lose out on this. Now, by August 14th, we'll be mining 4 cow tokens per hour, and that will be level 3. Okay, August 7th will be level 2, and August 14th, pardon, will be level 3, and that's when it reduces. Okay, so as time goes by, this reduces. I believe they want to merge everything together because ICE will be launching by October 7th, if my memory serves me right. All right, so let me just head back right now, and just like before, if you scroll left, all right, just scroll left, you would see your earning rate and your streak. Okay, I've explained this very one before. So the streak is the number of days you stayed active. Okay, if you stay active for 7 days, you get 1 day off. All right, your streak is the number of days you're active. The day off, you get a day off for staying active or mining consistently for 7 days. Remember, for you to be able to do this, you have to click on this button right here and make sure that you click claim before the 24 hours expiry period. Okay, so this is the video I have for you guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope you understood what this project is about. The ICE team is really building something strong here. This is not a project you joke with. Okay, I haven't talked about Sunwave tokens, but I'm going to be talking about that now. After the ICE network project we mined, ICE network released another token called Sunwave, which you can see on my screen right now. If you haven't joined that, I would advise you do so with the link in the description of this very video, just so you don't make a mistake or something. I would suggest you download the app, sign up, and pick a nickname for yourself. After picking a nickname, you're going to be asked a question like who invited you. You type in danpat, DANPAT right there, okay, and automatically you'll be signed in to your account. The benefit of using an invitation code is that you get 10 Sunwaves token for absolutely free, of course. So I kind of forgot to mention something. I noticed that when some of us join airdrops on Telegram, we tend to find it hard to locate that very bot if we want to claim the tokens, and that is what I'll be addressing right now. Okay, you're going to discover how to locate these very bots in your chat section. Sometimes these bots don't become visible because we don't do certain things. Now I'm going to show you one mistake a lot of us make and how to correct it. The mistake is not starting the bot. Okay, for the Callfluent token, I'm just going to click on the three dots at the top right hand corner of my screen. Okay, just click on that and then click on open boat. Even though this boat is open, it's advised you come here and click on open boat. Now as you can see, it says start right here. In your case, you might see the launch app and good, that means you are good to go. But if you see start right here, come over here and click on start. Okay, you want this boat to be registered in your Telegram chats. Okay, by clicking on start now and open up this boat again. Okay, once you click on start, you click start now to open up this boat again, just for the boat to register in your chat so you can easily locate it. Okay, so I'll just cancel this right now and head back to my chat, which is by clicking on all. I'm in the all section right now, which is this. Now if you are signing up for Telegram for the first time, you're going to be in the all section. All these very folders would not, very soon I'm going to show you how to organize these mining apps to be in one place, all your Telegram bots to be in one place. A lot of us don't really know how to do that. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is CallFluent and it's now registered in our chat. Now if I click on CallFluent right now, you can see that the chat is right here. So whenever you want to, come and claim these very tokens, you just have to come to your chat and click on that. Okay, and it will open up and you claim your tokens. It's that simple, guys. So this is it for this video. We've come to the end of this CallFluent update, the update I'm excited to share with you. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any comment or question you feel like dropping in the comment section, kindly do so and I'll try my best to respond to you. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I would suggest you do so right now so you stay updated whenever I drop updates about this very airdrop by the ICE network team. Lastly, if you haven't joined our social media handle, hurry up and join right now because interesting updates are going to be coming out. And just so you know, it's not everything we'll be able to create a video for because videos take time, and the best place to communicate with you will be through my social media handle, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp. You can find them in the description. I will see you in my next video. Peace.